Hello guys, this is Rebuilds NI here, back with a new video. I'm just going to make a real simple, quick video. A lot of people don't know, and I get a lot of questions, especially when I'm painting. You know, how do you find the paint code? So this is a Volkswagen. Any German cars like Audi and all are roughly, and Volkswagen are sort of in the same place. I think Audi may be a wee bit different, just depends the car and the year. But anyway, I'm going to show you where you can find this one on a Volkswagen Touran. Golf's the same, Golfs are in the boot, and these Tourans are in the boot. So basically the paint code to that one is, the light's a wee bit bad, it's LR5T. Now there's two paint codes, there's the top one, but see Volkswagens always start with an L, and I think Audi is the same, they always start with an L, and basically a paint code then is R5T, you take the L off. But another thing a lot of people don't know is, if you open your service manual, usually on the first page there'll be a sticker in there, and on that sticker it'll say LR5T. Now the CAYC, I think that's for like a two-tone car, like your trims and stuff would be that colour. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but anyway, that's it. And another thing I highly recommend you doing, a lot of people see that paint code and go, right, that's paint code, right, I'm going to get paint mixed. But what they actually don't realise is, that's paint code for maybe about 10 shades of this colour. Like, I painted a car one time and there's 15 shades, so silver. So what I would do, I'd pop a petrol flap out, or even pop the mirror cover off. Whatever's handier. Sometimes they're handier, but in Volkswagens it can be a wee bit awkward at times. If you can pop that out, great, bring out the paint shop, get it mixed the exact same shade, so it's not wrong, or you're not really noticed, you're not really going to need to blend anything. Sometimes you do, because new paint, old paint and stuff, but even that Golf R, you know, the paint code's in the boot and that there, it's LY3D. Another thing, if you cannot find the paint code on a car, sometimes if you take a picture of your registration and bring something like a petrol flap, obviously, and bring it into the paint shop and give them that registration, they should be able to look up in their system what your paint code is. Sometimes it can be a wee bit awkward about it, say, listen, you need to get me a paint code, say, you can't find it, you know, can you search it up for me, or whatever. But anyway guys, this is just a wee quick simple video, because my first video done really well for some reason, got 140 views, you know, just straight off, that was really good. Thanks for all the support and stuff, you know, keep viewing, even share with your friends. But if you just want to know any more paint codes, like Fords, I think Fords you have to phone Ford itself. Some of them might be different, but I knew a couple of Fords I had to phone Ford and get the paint code. But if there's any more, like Vauxhalls or Volvos, anything like that there you just want to know, you know, just leave a comment down below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Rebuilds NA, out.